friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of one of the mixer grinders, or should I say a blender. We Indians have the habit of using mixer grinder extensively for making chutneys, purees, or grinding masalas, dry masalas, wet masalas, which is a requirement for our cuisine. Using the mixer grinder for whipping up a chutney or a puree in a short duration is cumbersome, considering we generally do not store the mixer grinder on the countertop. To tackle this issue, there are a small sized blenders available in the market. I have been using a Wonderchef blender for such purposes, to whip up purees and chutneys in a jiffy. But I face some problems. Let me show you. So this is the Wonderchef blender which I had been using. What has happened is, if you see the jar, it has cracked. It has cracked here. Same way for the other jar. You see the crack here. So I was in a lookout for a bigger, sturdier mixer or a blender to do quick purees. This is the one which I have been using. I used it for a good 2 years before it got the cracks, so I was not able to use. So I purchased another blender, which is Kuvings Nutri Blender. The net weight of this is 5.3 lbs or 2.4 kg, gross weight being 9.2 lbs or 4.2 kg. So today let's unbox this Kuvings Nutri Blender. So here it says platinum offer. Being a platinum member, you are now eligible for a special additional discount of minimum 1,000 on your next purchase with our partner brands Kuvings, Kove, Kovacs Robotics, Instant and Tyneco. Same thing here. Let's keep this away. There is a box inside this box, so I'm going to remove this. So this is the box. I purchased this from Chroma. You get this in Amazon, Flipkart as well. First, let's see what's on the box. So here it says simple, easy and speedy. Let's see here. Simple, easy and fast. Insert fruit or vegetable in the cup simply and seal the blade easily and blend fast. Powerful motor with 22,000 RPM and blends whole ingredients into liquid for your health in seconds. Hassle-free cleaning. Simply twist the blades or seals. Rinse with soap and water. The cups are top rack dishwasher safe. That's good. So this is black color. There are two variants available here. The colors which you can choose. Let's open this up. User guide. We'll come to this later. Let's keep this away. Things is inside this. Let's see what is this later. So this is the body, quite heavy. It's written it's 4.2 kgs gross weight, but by the touch and feel is quite heavy. This is the bigger jar. Twist open. This is the smaller one. The blade is inside this already. So this bottom blades are sharper on the outside, top blades on the inside. So I guess this ensures very fast chopping. Here there is a caution written: super sharp blades, never place blades assembly on the base unless attached to a container. So let's close this up. This is the lid, which is, I think, is very useful. Once you do the grinding like this, you have to press it hard. You see the teeth here that have to get settled inside here, and you have some ridges here which have to go into this 3. So there are 3 ridges. So you have to press this and press it hard and twist for it to get locked. Once it is locked, it's very sturdy. Even the quality of plastic, if you see, it's quite sturdy. So once you do the blending, it's done. You remove it. You take this off. This can become a carry away case. So once you fix this, it's a carry away case which you can take away your puree juices. Easy to use and easy to pour as well. Probably you can store this in the fridge as is. An indicator given here for the max amount of quantity which can be loaded in this. A wire is attached to this. So this 2-blade one is here. For dry grinding. The other one is for wet grinding. So this also has a cap, easy to store in the fridge. So we are getting 2. So this is the other blade, which again press and twist. This container lip link, if you attach this, your container becomes easy to pour and you will not mess up all the ridges here. So easy to pour kind of. Once you grind by adding any blade, suppose you are grinding it, adding the blade, remove it, place it upright, take off the blade compartment, then add the container lip link and then pour. This way you will not mess up all the ridges here and it becomes easy to clean as well. So let's recap what are all the things which were in the box. One is the main motor unit, 1 large jar, 1 small jar, 1 wet grinder, 1 dry grinder, 1 tight lid, 1 flip open lid, and then 1 lip link. These are the ones along with the user manual or user guide. Let's quickly look at the user guide as well. So here it is: contents, important safeguards, again safeguards, save this instructions, safety warning, tips on the operating parts, recommended capacity container by ingredients, how to assemble and operate, cleaning and care, before requesting service what are all the things to be checked, and then a recipe guide. You can see the contents. Quite a number of recipes have been given: carrot and cocoa juice, grapefruit green juice, daily detox juice, melon kale juice. So you can see the this is interesting: ABC juice, apple, beet and carrot juice, yellow tango. Wow, good. I can try all this and probably post in the channel whatever I try. So here the product details are given along with the model name, weight, 2.4 kg. Product size is 135 into 135 into 375 millimeters. One thing to mention is to see the capacity. This can easily replace your regular mixer which you use for grinding chutneys. I am not mentioning about for grinding batter and large quantities, but if it is for 1 or 2 people, this can easily replace your regular mixer grinder. For comparison sake, I am going to show you the Wonderchef one. See the size. This will give you an idea about how big this is. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to look at more such interesting videos. Thank you for watching.